Right, so I thought I'd do a quick little update of my bike from the camshaft video. So I've just done its first oil change. In the screens there was tiny little bits of metal that you'll see, and then other than that it's not too bad. So out here I've stripped and cut the oil filter. That's the inside of the oil filter. I don't know if you can see, there's a very few little glistening bits. There are a bit of swarf in there, but they're very small. No big chunks or anything like that, like tiny things. So I think that's just all residue from the damage before. I'm not really worried about it, basically. So this oil change has been done at about 6,500 miles. I wanted to do it at 5, but I'm traveling now, so it's not always convenient to do it, and I've had to wait until I've been able to use a garage and get the oil. So anyway, just a quick little update that was my first oil change after the camshaft incident, and I'm not really worried about it. It looks pretty good. So yeah.